Cash advance apps can help students cover short-term expenses between income payments, but approval depends on factors like eligibility, account history, and how the app reviews your financial information. By the end, you'll know what students should compare when choosing a cash advance app, including requirements, costs, repayment timing, and which features matter most. The best cash advance app for a student depends on your situation. A student with a part-time job, regular deposits, or other income sources may have different options than someone without consistent income. Start by checking the eligibility requirements. Many cash advance apps review information connected to your bank account or payment activity. Before applying, check whether the app accepts your type of income and whether your account meets its requirements. Next, compare the cost. Some cash advance apps may have fees, optional charges, or subscription costs depending on the service. Look at the total amount you repay instead of only looking at how quickly the money arrives. Repayment timing is another major factor for students. If you receive money before your next paycheck, financial aid payment, or other deposit, make sure the repayment date fits your budget. A repayment schedule that arrives at the wrong time can make managing expenses harder. Students should also look at how the app works with their financial setup. Check whether it connects with your bank account and whether the application process matches what you need. Another thing to consider is how often you plan to use the service. A cash advance app may be useful for an unexpected expense, but relying on advances regularly can make budgeting more difficult. Track your spending and understand why you need the extra money before requesting an advance. Before choosing an app, compare the requirements, fees, repayment process, and account compatibility. The fastest option is not always the best option if the costs or repayment terms do not fit your situation. Students should choose a cash advance app based on affordability and how well it matches their income pattern. Check the details first, understand the repayment terms, and only use an option that fits your budget. If this guide helped you compare cash advance apps, subscribe for more practical money app comparisons and financial guides.